everyone, welcome back to Jake's Hunches About School Lunches. So today, we're gonna be starting with another mystery container. So, ooh, that broccoli is not looking too good today.
Worry about the mac and cheese.
Yeah, the mac and cheese kind of looks good. There's like water, yeah, thank you. There's water all over like the bread. Like, I don't know. Ew. And like, I think it's the condensation, like, no. Okay, so let's start off with the broccoli. Got a big piece. If you get a closer look, it looks like there's like white pieces. I don't know what that is, but I guess we'll try it. Okay, yeah, as soon as it touched my teeth, a wave of water just like went into my mouth. It does not taste like broccoli. It tastes like bad hot water. So now let's try the bread. It tastes like bread. Yeah, it tastes normal. Kind of dry.
Why does the bread come with the mac and cheese?
It doesn't taste like, it tastes like a normal bread that you would get at a store. So, no difference here. Try mac and cheese.
No way.
Okay, it's like very stuck together. So let's try to like loosen it up. We'll get a good bite here. Let's try it. Okay, it started off good. And then it got drier and drier in my mouth. It tastes like, you know that bad smell in a car? That's what it tastes like. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, Jake. Why is...
Okay. So that, for right now, I'm gonna rate everything. So I give the bread a solid 7 out of 10. I give the broccoli a 2 out of 10. And I give the mac and cheese a 4 out of 10 because it started good and got worse the more you chewed it.